Okay, a little backstory before I show you what I have going on here. I started off with a 4x4 plasma cam table with the 311 software, and then I ended up with needing a bigger table, so I bought the two rails from a guy off of one of these pages, and I bought two rails from Plasma Cam, and then I put I welded the gears together in the rails, and I had cut the rails down a little bit and made myself basically a 4x8 table. When doing so, I ended up completely building a new base, a 2x2 square, and then had my steel supplier, because I didn't have a big enough break and didn't want to weld it all, had them make the water pan for this. They bent the long edges of the sheet, and then this sheet here, I welded the uprights in the corner. I did the upright welds in the corners, and then I did a couple tacks on the ends down on the bottom here, and then I silicone that right in, and I've never had a leaking issue. And I cut the legs off just at the base of what used to be the original table, the original frame. And then with doing that, and then doing the water pan in my homemade frame, gives me a pretty good option of the height. Get this down here where it needs to be, so I can show you. I need new bearings, but I have a pretty good option of height. Tape measure. With the way I have everything set up, I have from the top my water pan, which is basically just underneath this 14 gauge sheet, to the bottom, the very bottom there, it comes out to be roughly 5.5 inches there. And the thing is, I can undo this and pull my machine torch up to give me more height if I need to. Yeah, that's basically my table in a nutshell. I need to get new rails. I wish there was I wish I could get rails that wasn't in pieces. Overall length is 109 from end to end, which is 9 foot. What is it? 9 foot 1 inch. Yeah, I don't really feel like going through the whole process of welding up my gears and all that again, but if I have to, I will. The edges here, these edges are starting to get mushroomed up. But anyways, the whole purpose of my video was to show how I managed to get the space. Somebody was talking about spacing in between the material and the bottom of their torch. So, like I said, I just took the leg. This is the leg, or what was the leg, and cut it just below the main support of the original table.